Famous stories. Sindbad story. This story is about a rich sailor who lived a wealthy life in Baghdad. Sindbad, the sailor, gathered knowledge, experience, and wealth from adventures of his long journeys through sea and land. Sindbad is not a real person, but his name has lived on to provide the central character for numerous stories, cartoons, and films up to this day. Daddy and Me. It is a touching and moving story of a special bond between late tennis champion Arthur Ashe and his daughter Camilla. The book emphasizes on the awareness about AIDS, a delicate subject in today's scenario among the children who are unaware. The book is very realistic, touching, sweet and tender. Dandy and Company. It isn't particularly impressive in its storylines and no character progression, but it fits with the stereotype of a newspaper comic fairly well. The webcomic world has left its imprint on Dandy, though it starts out as a fairly bland Garfield-style comic. Voyages the Gulliver. The book comprises 4 different journeys of Gulliver. Firstly, how he happened to shipwreck in Lilliput Island. Secondly, he himself and some other mariners reached the country of giants. In the third part, Gulliver was in most ironical voyage to the flying island of Laputa, and in the fourth and the last one, a journey to the country of wise horses, Houyhnhnms. Hercules. Hercules includes the Disney story told in a series of interactive scenes. Each scene's text is narrated by 2 muses. Screen animation and character dialogue follows. At this point, the screen becomes static, and the user has the opportunity to explore and clicking on the objects. 5 activities can be accessed. Harry Potter. This is a fine adaptation of the work by J.K. Rowling. The 3 young stars do a manlike job of acting as enchanters, and the strong supporting cast bring a great deal of color and life to the characters. Mulan. A journey into the amazing world of Disney's Mulan to the Tung Shao Pass. The Mulan's House. Play Dress Up with Mulan and Mishu. You can create your own stories and solve puzzles. You can perform karaoke to original songs from the movies. The game is great for kids of ages 4 to 8 years. Cinderella. In a Cinderella story, a twisted and hilarious update of the classic fairy tale, high school senior lives at the beck and call of her self-obsessed stepmother and her sinfully wicked stepsisters, who treat her more like a servant than a family member. In the end, she finds her Prince Charming and enough courage to be herself and claim the life she always wanted.